from Eccpp Auto Parts, here with our upgraded tow mirror, built for any 1999 through 2002 Chevy Silverado, Suburban, and Tahoe, in addition to any GMC Sierra and Yukon. Our tow mirror is designed to be manual folding and manual extending. It also has a built-in clearance light, a turn signal right on the mirror, and one on the back, making it easier to merge and change lanes. Our tow mirror also has a lower panoramic mirror and a larger upper adjusted power mirror with power heating, both having a combined length of 12 inches by 9 inches and an overall length of 17 inches when closed. Once extended, it reaches up to 20 inches, maximizing your road safety and visibility. In addition, our tow mirror also comes with extended wiring and an adapter for your clearance light, the same 3-pin mounting locations, faceplate, and OE connector as your vehicle for easy installation. Our tow mirror is designed to be a high-quality, low-vibrating mirror that replaces your old one and upgrades the look and functionality of your vehicle.